As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook and the Monument Grills tabletop model. What do you think?
Okay, well, right off the bat, the Master Cook is a full-sized grill, right? It's got 3 burners pumping out 30,000 BTUs with a cooking area of 472 square inches and 2 foldable shelves.
Yeah, it seems like a good option for regular backyard grilling. But the Monument Grills is a tabletop, much smaller, only 207 square inches of cooking space.
True, but it's portable, only weighs 20 pounds. 15,000 BTUs split between 2 burners. Think camping or tailgating, not a huge family barbecue. And it comes with a barbecue cover.
Okay, portability is a big difference. What about the materials?
Both are stainless steel, but the Monument Grills specifies that its burners are 304 stainless steel, a higher grade than the 430 stainless steel used in the rest of the grill. The Master Cook doesn't specify the steel grade, only that the control panel is stainless steel.
Good point. Durability matters. What about ignition?
The Master Cook has a piezoelectric ignition system, which is pretty standard. The Monument Grills just mentions positive piezo clicks on the knobs.
And temperature control?
Both have built-in thermometers, which is nice. The Master Cook has foldable side tables. The Monument has a high lid designed for oven-like cooking.
What about price?
The Monument is around $175, while the Master Cook is around $199.
So it really boils down to size and portability, doesn't it?
Exactly. If you need a grill for your patio and want to cook for a larger group, the Master Cook is the way to go. But if you need something you can easily take on the road, the Monument Grill's tabletop is much more convenient.
Okay, that makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.